Today I am going to make Chinese recipe. The name of the recipe is Kung Pao Chicken. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 200 grams boneless chicken cut into 1-inch piece, 3 teaspoons soya sauce, 3 teaspoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, 8 to 10 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 bowl of whites of the spring onion, 1 green capsicum cut into squares, half bowl roasted peanuts, half bowl greens of the spring onion, 1 teaspoon rice wine, salt to taste and oil. To start with, we will put chicken in a bowl. Now add little salt, soy sauce, rice wine, corn flour and mix well and keep it for marination for 10 minutes. Now in another bowl, we will make sauce. For that, we will put soya sauce, hoisin sauce, black pepper, sugar, balsamic vinegar, sesame oil and mix well until sugar dissolves. Now put oil in a pan, red chilies, ginger, garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Now add marinated chicken in this and stir fry for 3 minutes. Now we'll add whites of the spring onion, capsicum and cook for 1 minute more. Now we'll pour the prepared sauce in this and mix well so that all are coated. Now add peanuts and cook for another 2 minutes. Now sprinkle greens of the spring onion. This hot, spicy, yummy Kung Pao chicken is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.